Hey there, so I'm in the middle of mulching around this bed over here behind me, but I got to thinking, I probably should tell folks about this. You know what this is right here? These are all sweet tater, and those all of those sweet potato slips that are in there came from one sweet potato. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Check this out. All right, now if you've not grown sweet potato slips before, this is gonna blow your mind. Check this out. So right here, where's my thing? Right here, we have one sweet potato right there that I put into the ground. Put that in sideways on its side, about halfway buried, and then water it, and just watch over the next couple of weeks after you put it in there. You're gonna start to see little sprouts coming up. Well, those sprouts, they'll grow up into something a little bigger, like this, for example. Hey. Okay, when you pluck that off of there, stick that in some water. This one actually got much bigger than I would normally let them get. Normally I'll pick them off when they're about 3 or 4, maybe 6 inches long. Stick that baby in some water. You can even take some of these off of here, because that'll give new spots for roots to grow out of. Okay? Stick that down in some water and let that sit in water for about a week, maybe longer, whatever you feel like you want to. And you're going to see all kinds of root growth. And you can take that out then and go transplant it. Just put it in the ground, give it some water, and it'll grow. These things are amazing. By that tree over there, let me show you. All right, so check this out. I think I put about 20 or 25 of those slips that I grew off of that one potato to put down around this tree. Now that's going to provide me ground cover, but it's also going to provide me food. But isn't that amazing? From one potato, we got all of that. Isn't that amazing? And I haven't had to water these things hardly at all. Look how long this is. That's incredible. I just thought you should know that about a sweet potato, because they're amazing. Now this is another section. This is all sweet potato too, but these ones I bought, I think I bought 10 individual plants at about $3 or $4 a piece. That's like 40 bucks, right? Versus $3 or $4 for one good sweet potato, a big one. This is going to turn in to basically what that is. So if you're considering trying to grow sweet potatoes, feel confident. They're really easy. Don't go buy the plant. Just buy the potato at the grocery store. Try to get an organic one. If you can find one that's already got some eyes developing on it, that'll give you a jump start. It's so easy, man. Thanks for watching.